Hey everyone, and welcome back to Micro Habits Mastery. What's the one habit you wish you could just erase from your life? Is it endlessly scrolling through your phone? Maybe it's reaching for a cigarette or that extra snack you know you don't need. Go ahead and drop it in the comments below. I want to see what we're all working on together, because today, I am going to show you how to use what I call the 72-hour eraser to painlessly wipe that habit away. No, this isn't magic, and it's not about grueling, white-knuckled willpower. It's about understanding a simple, powerful trick your brain can learn in just 3 days. So, what is this 72-hour eraser? It's a simple system built on one core idea. You fight an addiction. You replace it. Trying to fight a craving head-on is like trying to hold back a tidal wave with your bare hands. It's exhausting, and eventually, the wave wins. Your brain is wired to seek rewards, and your old habit has a well-worn path to a quick dopamine hit. Fighting it just makes you focus on what you're missing. So, we're not going to fight. We're going to redirect. We're going to build a new, tiny, almost effortless path for your brain to follow instead. This is where the magic of micro habits comes in. Let's start the clock on our 72-hour journey. The first 24 hours are all about one word: replace. This is the foundation of the entire method. Every time the urge for your old habit strikes, your mission is to immediately do a replacement micro habit. For example, let's say you get the urge to smoke. Instead of fighting that thought, you'll immediately take 5 slow, deep breaths, and then gently stretch your fingers. That's it. Craving a sugary snack? Stand up, walk to the nearest window, and look outside for 30 seconds. Feel the need to scroll on social media. Pick up a book and read just one paragraph. Why does this work? Neuroscientists have found that the intense peak of a craving usually lasts for about 90 seconds. Your job isn't to defeat the craving for all time. It's just to get through those 90 seconds. Your replacement microhabit acts as a pattern interrupt. It's a circuit breaker. It pulls your brain's attention away from the old, familiar craving reward loop and gives it something else to do. It's so small and easy that your brain doesn't resist it. You're not asking it to run a marathon. You're just asking it to take a single step in a different direction. For the first 24 hours, just focus on this. Every single time the urge hits, execute your replacement. Don't judge yourself. Don't overthink it. Just do it. Now we're moving into day 2, from hour 25 to hour 48. Here, we introduce our second keyword, reward. Yesterday, you successfully interrupted the old pattern. Today, we're going to start reinforcing the new one. After you complete your replacement microhabit, you need to give yourself an immediate, positive reward. And I mean immediate. This is crucial for cementing the new neural pathway. The reward doesn't have to be big. It can be a mental reward, like saying to yourself, "Nice one, I did it." Or it could be a small physical action, like smiling, doing a little fist pump, or listening to 30 seconds of your favorite song. Let's go back to our examples. You felt the urge to smoke. You took 5 deep breaths and stretched your fingers. Immediately after, you smile and think, "I'm in control." You wanted to scroll, but instead, you read one paragraph of a book. Your reward. You get to put a check mark on a piece of paper on your desk. This simple act of acknowledgement releases a small hit of dopamine, the very same reward chemical your old habit was chasing. But now, your brain starts to associate that good feeling with the new, positive action. You are actively teaching your brain that deep breathing is rewarding, that looking out the window is rewarding. You are hijacking the reward system and putting it to work for you. By the end of hour 48, your brain is starting to learn that there's a new, easier, and faster way to get a little burst of satisfaction. Welcome to day 3, the final stretch from hour 49 to 72. Your new habit is starting to form. But now we need to make it automatic. This final phase is about consistency and reflection. For these 24 hours, continue to replace and reward, but add a small layer of mindfulness. After you complete your new habit and give yourself the reward, take just 10 seconds to notice how you feel. Do you feel a little calmer after the deep breaths? Do you feel a little more present after looking out the window? Do you feel a sense of accomplishment after reading a paragraph? By consciously acknowledging the positive feeling, you are strengthening the connection. You're showing your brain, "Hey, not only did we get a little dopamine hit from the reward, but this new activity actually makes us feel good." This completes the feedback loop. Your brain now understands that the new microhabit isn't just a random task. It's a direct path to feeling better. It's no longer a chore. It's a choice that leads to a positive outcome. As you repeat this process throughout day 3, the new pathway in your brain becomes stronger and more defined, while the old pathway for the bad habits starts to fade from lack of use. By the time you hit the 72-hour mark, you've successfully installed a new operating system for that specific craving. You've used the eraser. What do you think of this method? Have you ever tried replacing a habit instead of just quitting cold turkey? Let me know your thoughts and experiences in the comments. And if you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Micro Habits Mastery for more simple strategies to transform your life. Sharing this video with a friend who might be struggling could make a huge difference for them too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.